Alright guys, we're here. Wow, that's an awesome place. I know. So, how long is it gonna take? 7 hours. What? You didn't even tell me that before? Oh, sorry. Well, you have to wait long. Don't you know how crazy I am when I waited very long for more than 7 hours? Or maybe just like 10 hours. Ah. Well, sorry. I gotta get chilled. Alright then. Man, I got crazy. Don't worry. I could just wait very long. Maybe it's not that bad. I can't take it anymore. Robert, how long have we been waiting?
Meron kasing access na
just 2 minutes. Ah! Calm down. No, I'm not gonna calm down. This is gonna take forever for like more than an hours. What should I do with you, Yellowbird? Oh my god. Man. I think I'm kind of tired now. I just want to go sleep next to you. I'll just wait until take a nap more. Alright then. Yellowbird. Oh, what? Come on, we have to go. Oh, alright. Oh, finally, it's done. Yes, we're in. Guys, we're in the waiting plane. Okay, that's good. Oh, come on, let's just wait until the plane. We don't want to let anyone see us. All right, we'll wait until the plane comes. Wait, hold on. I want to see the real quick. Ooh, it's awesome. All right. Okay, I'm done. That thing's awesome. Yes! Alright. What time is it? 10 o'clock. Alright.
When it's ready,
Yep, it's gonna be nighttime. I'll just wait until like next morning. Yep. Next morning, man. Next morning. Well, good night, Yellowbird. Gotta go to sleep too. Alright, now to get this thing charged, folks. Because it's almost dead. Man, ooh. Cool TV. Awesome. Ooh, cool remote.
How do I put it like that?
Anyways, I'm going back in the backpack. Good night, folks. Hey, I never knew it. Yeah, I know that. So, what should we do?
This is awesome.
Yeah, I know, right? Totally awesome.
There's TVs. Oh, it's right here. You wanna watch a movie or something?
Alright. I wanna move them so they're in the way. Oh. Huh, they're comfortable.
Watch it later.
Yeah, I know. Man, this is gonna be exciting. Yeah, bro. Yeah, this is really exciting. This is like a first time. Alright, by the way. And it's the first time going on a vacation. Yeah, about time. Well, for vacation. Yeah. But, oh well. But, ooh, what's this? Oh, cool. That's really the coolest
I know.
small TV of all time. Oh,
Which one of them?
Yeah, it's not that much.
awesome. I kind of like that TV anyway. Oh, just stay right there. Yes. This plane is awesome. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, man. I went around and it's awesome. But I don't think we're not. I don't think I can sit down, but I'll just get back on the backpack. But oh well. What the heck? Orangebird? What are you doing? I just learned how to levitate. That's impossible. Yeah, I know that. Guys, we gotta get in the bag quick before we fall down. Oh, all right. Come on. Oh, what? Ah. Oh, get in the bag.